Lisa, it's wet there. Morning. Good morning, everybody.
Now we're going to the water park and we're going to the hotel. We're going. Yeah, we're just having breakfast and then we're gonna go get ready and go. Yeah? Lisa. Lisa. One, nine, two, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40.
Hey, 40 ba?
You can say 40.
It's not 40. Hello? Hello?
We're going to the cruise ship.
Mm-hmm.
No, we're not. We're going to the hotel.
Mm-hmm. Okay na? Yeah. Ready na ako mga katsika, hindi lang nga lang ako nagbihis. Bibihis na lang ako. Kapag-ayos na ako sa aking face, ayos na. Magdadamit na lang. Suot ko pa yung suot ko kahapon. Hala, nagkagid ako mga katsika ba? Di ko alam kasi yung hindi naman to sa dahil sa kwintas. Kasi yung kwintas matagal ko naman to suot-suot. Hindi din dahil sa work kasi kahapon pagka-uwi ko sa work hindi pa naman ako nangati. Nangati lang ako mga katsika simula nung pagkatapos na ako ma-haircutan, di ba? Umuwi na kami dito. Makati talaga akala ko kung ano-ano lang sus na ganyan na pala oh. Ganyan itsura oh. Mula nakaikot dito. Naitanggalin ko yung row. Smile man si Alisa. Pretty baya. Natawa pala siya sa ginawa ko. Ganyan.
Hello.
Ito. Ikot talaga dito sa ano ko. Alam ko hindi naman to dahil sa suot ko. Dahil, kasi nangati ako kahapon after na magupitan. Ganun. Siguro madumi yung ginamit. Ay, kaya pala, smile, kaya no, you're not having this. Later, you take that with you later. When I get in the car, okay?
Okay, let's put in the bag.
Put in the bag, yeah. And get a bag there.
Maybe I will put it in my bag.
Yeah. Kaya pala, ano pa, smile. Akala ko kung yung smile niya. Magkati talaga mga katsika. Pakainin ko na yung mga bata. Oh. Ikot sa liig ko. Yung kwintas ko naman, matagal ko naman to suot-suot. Hindi man ako nangati. Yung ano talaga, yung kahapon ba yung... Ano yung dito? Yung inaano sa akin? Yung...
I'll hold it, I think.
Nakaganon? Anong tawag noon? Pang i-cover ba? Parang di ba magkabuhok ba yung damit mo ba?
I think I will hold it.
Okay, you hold it. Actually, Daddy, but that one I charged as well, but she wanted what? So it's gonna be empty.
Give me your iPad, Danny. I'm charging.
I charge upstairs.
Oh, it's charging, is it?
Oh. Charging upstairs.
Oh, it's charging.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You need toilet?
Yes. You need toilet?
No?
Okay, can you take that down for Jenny? It's heavy.
Get the iPad, B.
Okay.
Okay, give me the iPad.
It's Lola.
Slobat, oh dear. They got no iPad then. Look here.
Oh, we're going to new hotel.
Mhm.
It's okay, Lisa. You can use my iPad when we're gonna go. You can use my iPad.
Have your vitamins, please, in the kitchen.
You can borrow my iPad, Lisa. I don't have to. Can I use my iPad?
She's not going to watch iPad now because she had enough.
Ew. Is that your baby?
Daming dikit. Mga pagkain, tubig, snacks.
Lisa, look, there was a fruit for your baby. These are the fruits for your baby.
Nice and clean. Kasi ayaw namin na uwi kami galing, yung mga vitamins pala. Galing alis na, magulo. Kailangan malinis.
You see my Motorola phone?
Pangit tuloy tingnan. Tawag dyan. Lagay lang ako nito. Cream. Nantay namin si Mr. Alis na kami mga kanyaka. Magligpit muna din mga dapat ligpit-ligpitin ba mga basura nilabas. Ayaw namin na kahit ako din ayaw ko talaga na yung aalis ka mga kachika tapos pag uwi mo yung bahay ba magulo madumi. Maganda sa pakiramdam pag uwi ka ba na wala kang isipin na ligpitin. Pangit talaga.
Ready, get ready.
Ito to nag-umpisa banda. Ganun.
I'm ready.
Kaso meron pa naman akong nagpaano din ako ang tawag dyan, nagpabook din ako ng appointment para next week kasi magpapakulay ako ng buhok ko mga kachika. Tapos yan, ganito. Madumi yata yung nilagay niya na pang dito eh.
Chocolate.
Yeah. That's safe, dali. Yeah. Nag-pull over kami mga kachika kay grabe yung ulan. Not safe. Plus
Too many idiots.
marami pang nagliliparan ba na mga nagda-drive. Yung ulan tapos hindi mo yung tipo na hindi mo na talaga lalakas yung ulan ba tapos hindi kahit ako hirapan na ako mag tingin sa kalsada. Pabugso-bugso yung ulan eh. It's flooded there naman.
Yeah. Look at the shit flying around. There's something wrong with them. Really, British. Why they drive nuts?
Why stop the car?
Because it's not safe, baby.
It's
The
not
rain.
safe. It's not safe.
So many flying around.
Yeah. This weather, they're gonna slam into you. For sure.
How are we gonna go?
Hey, stop. I'll decide what
stream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You.
What time is it now?
12.
12.
1 hour.
Took an hour. Not bad.
Dito na kami mga kachika. It took us 1 hour papunta dito.
Take?
Just 1 hour.
That's good.
Mas madali kasi kaysa last time nagpunta kami dito kasi last time na ano kami mali yung na turn na namin, punta kami sa ibang town. So this time alam na namin kung saan kami mag U-turn.
Mama, here, guys.
Ganun. Yung kain yung mga bata yung fruits. Galing pa to sa bahay. Hindi nila ko. Sira na yata to. Galing mo to sa fridge. Hindi pa. Sarap. Aga pa kasi mga kachika, mga 3 hours pa before and check-in time. So paaga kasi yung ano namin dito. Antay lang muna namin si Mr. kasi chinik niya kung nalock niya yung sasakyan. Tinak kami. Late. Afternoon.
Huh? Afternoon.
Oh.
What's it?
We check in maybe 4 o'clock. We check in right away. Maybe because we got here like 4 o'clock.
Was it?
Oh no, like maybe 5 because I went to
No.
work. And then after work we came here. Finished.
You still do that place, do you?
Yeah. I just started the place
Oh my goodness.
for like a month.
Where?
Oh, and we stayed that yeah. So I went to work for 9 to 3 and
Yeah.
then after we came here. Oh yeah.
What is it?
Mine, just have a look.
A globe.
Let's go in
There's a butterfly.
Bagong ano nila dito.
Can I take off my coat, Mama? That's
Cold. It's cold in it's very windy.
Huh?
It's very windy.
Daddy, let's go.
I'm gonna go to the toilet.
Cleaning the room.
Yeah, it's not ready yet pa daw mga kasi alas 12 pa lang nga eh. 12:30 yata.
Oh no, it doesn't look. You're really sweaty.
I'm gonna say, your room is ready. Put this back behind you, Cherry. Where is your jacket? Oh, you got your jacket.
Mama.
Dito muna kami mga kachika. Yeah, tomorrow for breakfast. Magkakape kami.
What happened? What the lady cut our hair?
Yeah, she got my hair.
Will you pay her?
You like it?
Play? Could you play?
Because you're there. Okay, that's it. Excited na yung mga bata mag-swimming kaso kay ano pa
Mama,
man.
I want to swim.
Yeah. Pag ma-check-in na kami saka na kami mag-swim.
Let me take you.
Nice here.
Try to go swim and jump in the pool to be safe. So you can without accessing.
Yeah. Baho marugutot. We will rock you. We will But not yet, Lisa. When it's ready, we're gonna go for a walk first. Okay? When it's ready, it's ready. We're not gonna wait for that. When it's ready, okay? Can go for a walk. Me and Alina go for a walk. Oh, sun hot place. Lakad-lakad lang. Okay, then you and me.
Okay.
Dito kami kasi gumagawa kami ng intro.
Nina, we should be stuck because walking now. Mama, stop. Mama, our hotel is ready.
Not yet. Uy, wait, basa pala ko dito. Uy, dali, nasa place. Kita pili ka rin. Kami din dali.
Okay, we're gonna go home now, Lisa. Wanna go home?
Dali, nasa place.
I'm done. Done.
Naboboard na talaga yung mga bata, mga kachika. Eh, 2 hours na kami, more than 2 hours na kami dito, tambay-tambay. Lagpot ng usa. Alisa, it's wet there. Agrami na ng mga ganap na mga bata.